Imagine if tomorrow morning your car gets fully charged in just 3 minutes, and that too without lithium. Yes, Elon Musk has surprised the world once again. Now Tesla is going to say bye-bye to lithium in the future and can replace it with aluminum-ion battery technology. And the biggest thing, it is cheap and fast too. This new battery technology coming from Tesla in the coming years will not only shake the world of electric cars, but will also change the direction of the entire EV industry. For years, the shortage of lithium and its high prices had been a headache for Elon Musk. But now, it seems that Musk has found a solution to this. Yes, a battery that is cheaper, lighter, and more durable than lithium. But the story does not end here. The question is, will this aluminum-ion battery really be able to completely replace lithium? Is its charging speed and range the same as Elon Musk is claiming? And the biggest thing, will this make Tesla's cars cheaper than before? If yes, then what will happen to the rest of the companies? After all, what is the world of EV going to be like after that? Before moving on to the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to hear the news of the biggest revolution in EV. Before we dive into the futuristic battery technology of Tesla, let's take a look at the advanced battery technology that Tesla is using today. It's not just a car battery. It's a walking power station with everything designed down to the micro level to make it travel longer, charge faster, and last for years with minimal maintenance. Today, Tesla uses two main types of batteries. One is lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries, and the other is nickel cobalt aluminum NSA batteries. LFP batteries are now being used exclusively in Tesla's cheaper cars like Model 3 and Model Y, especially for the Chinese and Asian markets. The specialty of these batteries is that they are safer, can be charged more times, and have a longer life. Yes, they are a little heavier and have a little less range, but they are cheaper and safer. So, Tesla uses them in cheaper models. On the other hand, NSA batteries, which Tesla has developed in collaboration with Panasonic, are more powerful. These are used in premium models, such as Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. These batteries have very high energy density, which means they can store more energy in less space, making it possible to travel longer distances. But their maintenance and cooling are more sensitive. Now let's talk about Tesla's most advanced battery technology. That is 4,680 cells. This battery is Elon Musk's latest game-changer innovation. Its size is hidden in the name itself, 46 millimeters wide and 80 millimeters long. These give many times more power than the old 2,170 cells, and their charging is also very fast. The most interesting thing is that these batteries also become part of the structure of Tesla's cars. That is, the battery is no longer just an insert thing. Now it has become a part of the car, which has improved the strength, weight, and performance of the vehicle. To make these 4,680 batteries, Tesla has adopted a special dry electrode technology, which has made battery production even cheaper and faster. Tesla's own gigafactories are now making these batteries in large quantities, especially for Model Y and Cybertruck. Elon Musk's dream is to make these batteries so cheaply that in the future, the cost of a car will be as much as that of a smartphone. Now that we have understood how advanced battery system Tesla is using today, imagine when the same company is now moving towards future batteries, like aluminum ion. What a big stir the entire auto industry is going to create in the coming times. And this is the beginning from where a new era of EV technology begins. How does the technology of aluminum ion battery work? Let us now talk about the technology that can completely change the world of EV in the coming times. Aluminum ion battery. The name may seem like a big science, but if understood in simple language, this battery is a system in which aluminum is being used in place of lithium, and that too with many benefits. So, let us know how this technology actually works. What are the special things in it, and how it can surpass lithium-ion batteries? First of all, let us understand what is the basic work of a battery. Any battery is made up of two things: a positive electrode cathode and a negative electrode anode. There is an electrolyte between them through which ions, that is, charged particles, go from one place to another. When you turn on a device like a car mobile laptop, then these ions flow in one direction and electricity is generated from it. When you charge the battery, those ions again go in the opposite direction and fill their place. Now in lithium-ion battery, these ions are of lithium. But the problem is that lithium is a rare and expensive metal. Its mining harms the environment and its supply is limited. This is why scientists found a new way. Why not take a metal that is abundant, light, cheap, and in which ions can move very fast? This is where the idea of aluminum-ion battery came from. Now let's know how aluminum-ion battery works. In this battery, aluminum foil is used as a node that is negative side. This is the same aluminum that you use as foil in the kitchen, but in a more pure and technical form. On the other hand, graphene is used for cathode. It is a very thin but very strong carbon layer, which works like a superconductor in a way. That is, ions can move very fast through it. When you charge this battery, the aluminum ions move from the anode to the graphene cathode, and when you discharge it, the same ions return to the anode, releasing energy. There is no dangerous reaction in this process, and most importantly, this whole process is very fast. Aluminum-ion batteries charge up to 60 times faster than lithium-ion. This means that if your lithium battery is fully charged in 1 hour, then the aluminum battery can be ready in just 1 to 2 minutes. In some prototypes, it has been seen that full charge is being obtained in just 90 seconds. This battery can be charged and discharged thousands of times. While a lithium battery lasts for 1 to 2,000 cycles, the aluminum-ion battery can easily last for more than 10,000 cycles and without any risk of fire or explosion. Aluminum is abundant and easy to recycle. On the other hand, mining of lithium is expensive, limited, and dangerous. Because of this, aluminum batteries are safer and more sustainable for the environment. Aluminum is light, so the entire battery is lightweight. This increases the efficiency of the EV and also increases the range of the car. Also, it is cheaper in cost as it neither uses expensive metals like cobalt, nor does it require much processing. Aluminum-ion batteries are more stable. Neither do they heat up too much, nor are they prone to fire, whereas lithium batteries have been infamous for bursting or catching fire due to overheating. Now the question arises, if this is such a great technology, then why is it not available everywhere today? The answer is industrial scale production. Aluminum-ion batteries are yet to be manufactured on a large scale and fitted in EVs. Companies like Elon Musk and Tesla are working fast on this technology, but it will take some time for mass adoption. But it is certain that in the next 2 to 3 years, as soon as its manufacturing becomes easy and cheap, these batteries will leave lithium behind. So the coming time will not be just of EV, but of aluminum-ion revolution. This is the technology that will not only make cars faster, cheaper, and safer, but will also change the entire battery industry. Is the game of lithium over Elon Musk's big move? If there is one thing that has become the king of the EV industry, in the last few years, it is lithium. Lithium-ion batteries gave companies like Tesla a flight, gave them a range of thousands of kilometers, and made the dream of leaving behind petrol-diesel cars a reality. But now, a big question has arisen about the same lithium. Is it time over? And has Elon Musk found a solution to this? Lithium is actually a light and fast working metal which is used in batteries. Ever since the craze of electric vehicles has increased, the demand for lithium has also skyrocketed. But when something comes into excessive demand, two things are certain. First, its price increases a lot. Second, its shortage starts. This is what is happening with lithium. Companies like Tesla are making millions of cars in a year. Hundreds of kilos of lithium is used in every car. But lithium mines are limited in the world. Most lithium is currently found in countries like China, Australia, Chile, and Argentina. This means that the entire world's EV industry has become dependent on a few select countries. And whenever there is a disruption in the supply chain, be it war politics or trade disruption, the price of lithium increases. Elon Musk had already warned that the lithium mafia has gripped the EV industry. He has repeatedly said that if an alternative to lithium is not found, electric cars will become even more expensive, let alone cheaper. And this is the point where the aluminum-ion battery enters. Now, the question arises, why did Elon Musk choose aluminum? So the answer is very simple. Aluminum is found in abundance, is cheap, light, and is spread all over the world. While lithium is a limited resource, aluminum is abundant inside the ground. It is cheaper to find, extract, and process it. And the biggest thing, it is not under the control of any one country. America, India, Africa, Brazil. Aluminum is found everywhere. Apart from this, the charging speed and safety of aluminum-ion batteries are much better than lithium. According to some reports, these batteries can be fully charged in 90 seconds, which is an unprecedented revolution compared to hours of charging of lithium. Neither do they heat up too much, nor is there a risk of them catching fire. That is, this technology can prove to be a boon for both consumers and companies. Now, let's talk about why Elon Musk took this decision so quickly. Actually, Tesla is not just a car company. It is also in the battery business. Tesla's large battery units like Powerwall Mega are now being installed in homes, factories, and grids all over the world. Musk knows that if the dependence on lithium is not got rid of, then this entire plan can collapse. That is why he put his research team to work on next-generation battery, and now it seems that its result is in front of the world. If reports are to be believed, Tesla has made some small-scale prototypes of aluminum-ion batteries and has got great results in testing. Now the goal is to bring it into mass production, and this can start from 2026. And this is Elon Musk's masterstroke to jump into the technology, which is going to be the need of the future. If Tesla takes this step successfully, then it will pose a big challenge for other companies. BYD, Volkswagen, Toyota, Ford, all are dependent on lithium today. But if Tesla shifts to aluminium, then its vehicles will charge faster, give more range, and most importantly, will be very cheap. Imagine if the price of a Tesla Model 2 comes down to less than $10,000 and it charges in 2 minutes and runs 500 kilometers. Then what will happen to other companies? Now, the time has come to move out of the era of lithium and move towards the aluminium revolution. And as history has shown many times, when Elon Musk takes a big step, he leaves an entire industry behind. Lithium versus aluminium. Who is the real king of EV? Whenever we talk about electric vehicles, the first thing that comes to mind is the battery. And for the last several years, the king of the EV industry has been lithium. The battery used in every Tesla, BYD, Hyundai, or Tata electric vehicle is mostly lithium-ion. But now, A new player is rapidly making headlines. Aluminum-ion battery. The question arises, is aluminum-ion battery really 10 times better than lithium? Let us understand this in very simple and straightforward language. Who is the real soul of EV in terms of price weight, charging speed safety, and environmental impact? Today, the biggest problem of EV is its price, and the most expensive part in it is battery. Mining, processing, and supply of lithium is very expensive. Especially when only a few countries have control of the world's lithium, the rate goes up even more. On the other hand, aluminum is found in abundance in the world. It is cheap, easy to recycle, and its supply chain is also simpler. This is the reason why the prices of EVs can come down significantly after the manufacturer of aluminum-ion batteries. If a lithium battery sells a car for 20 lakh rupees, then aluminum can bring the same car up to 15 lakh rupees. The heavier the battery, the slower and less range the car will have. Lithium batteries are light, but aluminum is even lighter and more efficient than them. Aluminum-ion batteries have a little less energy density, but the rapidly developing technology will make up for it quickly. And if a superconductor like graphene is included in it, the performance also skyrockets. That is better performance with lightweight. This is a huge advantage. Now, let's come to the most surprising thing. Aluminum-ion batteries charge 10 times faster than lithium. Yes, while a lithium battery can take 30 minutes to 1 hour to get fully charged, some aluminum-ion prototypes have been fully charged in just 90 seconds. Imagine you parked your car, and by the time you return with coffee, the battery is full. If they start doing this in the real world, then charging as fast as petrol pumps will be possible in EVs. The biggest weakness of lithium is its instability. These batteries can explode or catch fire when heated too much, and this has happened many times. There have been reports of battery blasts in vehicles like Tesla Hyundai. But aluminum-ion batteries are both safe from the thermal runaway. That is, they do not explode even after being heated too much. Their chemistry is more stable, which increases the safety of vehicles manifold. This special feature can make EVs more reliable even in long distance and hot areas. Lithium mining damages both land and water. Mining of lithium triangle. Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, and South America has disturbed the ecological balance. At the same time, extracting cobalt, which is used in some lithium batteries from mines, is an ethical concern. Even child labor has been reported. On the other hand, mining and recycling of aluminum is much more clean and ethical. Not only is it abundant, it can be reused multiple times. This makes EVs more sustainable. Will aluminum-ion batteries work in the real world? The most important question is this just a lab thing, or will these batteries work in cars in reality? To be honest, the technology is now close to being fully ready. Many big companies in the world. Tesla GM Graphene Manufacturing Group, GIMG, and some Indian startups are also working on it. Tesla insiders say that Elon Musk's team has got great results in initial testing. These batteries are charging fast, are stable even at high temperatures, and the performance is also very promising for EVs. Yes, some challenges still remain, like bringing them into mass production, standardizing them to fit in EVs, and creating charging infrastructure. But at the pace of work, aluminum-ion batteries can come in EVs by 2026 and break the monopoly of lithium as soon as they come. What is the result? If it is just a matter of chemistry, then aluminum-ion seems to be a much smarter, faster, safer, and cheaper option. And if a company like Tesla brings it practically on the road, then it will be a new revolution in EV battery technology. So the answer is clear. The real king of EV is now changing. Lithium started, but now aluminum has come to wear its crown. Movement in the global supply chain. How are India and Africa changing? If you look carefully at the battery strategy of the world's largest companies today, one thing becomes clear: the grip of lithium is gradually loosening and aluminum is going to take its place. But the matter is not limited to technology only. The real game is going on in the global supply chain, and three big players are emerging in it: China, India, and Africa. Let us understand in simple language what these changes are, why they are happening, and what impact it will have on the EV industry. First of all, let's talk about aluminum. This is not a new metal. Its foil is used in our kitchens. It is also used to make lightweight parts in flights. And now it is preparing to bring a revolution in E5 batteries. Aluminum is found many times more than lithium. And the best thing is that it is present in almost every continent, due to which its supply cannot be captured by any one country. China's move. China has always been at the forefront of mining and battery technology. Today, China holds the largest share of the lithium supply chain, but now China has also started strengthening its hold on aluminum. It has invested in aluminum mining in many parts of Africa. Chinese companies have invested heavily in Guinea, which is one of the world's largest bauxite or raw form of aluminum exporters. This means that China already knows that aluminum can replace the demand for lithium in the next decade. Now, talking about India, things are changing rapidly here too. Bauxite is found in abundance in states like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand in India, and many companies like Vanta Hindalco are processing it to produce aluminum. Now, as soon as the technology of aluminum-ion batteries is confirmed, India can get a chance to become a big supplier and manufacturing hub. This is the reason why the government is also now bringing new policies and subsidies to promote EV battery technology. Africa was earlier considered only a supplier of rare metals, but now it is preparing to participate in the entire battery supply chain, especially in West Africa, such as Guinea, Oceania, and Sierra Leone. The governments here now want not only raw material to be exported, but also refining and processing units to be set up here. This will also provide employment to Africa, and the money earned from mining will be invested in the economy here. And the most interesting thing is that both China and India are investing in big projects there that is direct competition in the supply chain. Is the supply of aluminum sustainable? This question is also important. Can the supply of aluminum handle the EV industry in the coming years? The answer is yes, but wisely. Aluminum is definitely abundant, but its mining and refining consumes energy. Yes. One advantage is that aluminum is 100% recyclable. That is, a thing used once can be used again in a battery. If the world builds the right recycling system, the supply chain will never slow down. Now let's talk about big mining companies. The world's top mining firms like Rio Tinto, Alcoa, and Dulco are now rapidly slowing down their lithium projects and shifting to aluminum. They have understood that the next big wave is not going to come from the EV industry, but from the aluminum battery revolution. Some companies are now modifying their old plants so that they can make battery-grade aluminum, which is especially useful for EVs. Not just mining. Companies designing batteries are also now redesigning their modules and cells according to aluminum ion. Because these batteries work differently, their packing voltage control and heat management are also different from lithium. Tesla, GM, and some European companies have already started pilot projects for this. So is the era of lithium over? The simple answer is no. But its monopoly is now breaking. As aluminum-ion batteries reach the commercial stage, lithium may be limited to high-end or specialized products, and only aluminum can provide the boost the EV industry needs at affordable prices, rapid supply, and reliable performance. Today, the world of EVs is not just a vehicle, but has become a global movement, and the backbone of this movement is the battery. Now that the battery is changing, it is inevitable that the entire global supply chain will also be disrupted. And this is what is happening. China is planning ahead. India is rapidly building infrastructure, and Africa is gearing up to monetize its resources. Other companies have lost their sleep. Toyota BYD Volkswagen's reaction. Ever since Elon Musk started working on aluminum-ion batteries, and its initial tests have shown amazing results. Other big automobile companies have lost their sleep. The lithium-dependent EV industry has suffered a setback. The world's leading companies, Toyota, BYD, and Volkswagen, which were so far very confident about their battery technology, are now rapidly jumping into the aluminum-ion race. Toyota has always been conservative in battery technology. For a long time, they focused on hybrid technology rather than electric cars. But since they came to know that Elon Musk's team is going to make a big splash with aluminum-ion batteries, they are now increasing research on both solid-state and aluminum batteries. Toyota's research team is now working on small prototypes that are testing fast-charging and long-life aluminum cells. They have also started upgrading some of their old lithium labs in Japan. They know that if they ignore this change, Tesla will leave them behind again. BYD has made a stronghold in the EV battery market with its Blade battery. Their battery is considered safer, more economical, and durable, and it has been giving competition to Tesla. But now the same Blade battery may be outdated in the future. Elon Musk's new aluminum-ion battery charges faster than the Blade is lighter and is considered safer. BYD engineers are now rapidly looking for new options in R&D. Some reports suggest that BYD has also started working on its own internal aluminum cell projects. The question is not when they will launch, but will they be able to do it before Tesla Volkswagen has already invested billions of dollars in EV technology. They want to become Europe's largest EV manufacturer, and for this they have started their battery unit called Power Company. Now, they too are seeing that relying too much on lithium can cost them dearly. Some of his partner startups, such as Quantum Cape, were working on solid-state technology earlier, but now the focus is shifting to aluminum-ion cell designs. Volkswagen knows that if it wants to compete with Tesla, it will have to go shoulder to shoulder with Musk in the next generation of batteries. A new beginning. The second chapter of EV. Now the question arises, is this just a new battery technology or a big change? To be honest, this is not just a technology shift. It is an industrial revolution. Just like the diesel engine came from steam trains, this shift from lithium to aluminum is going to change the face of the entire EV industry. So far, EV companies have been dependent on lithium, which was in limited supply, and whose prices were skyrocketing. There were also ethical questions about mining, such as child labor, water waste, and environmental damage. But now, Musk's vision is very clear. No more mining wars, no more battery fires, just fast, safe, clean power. This means a world where batteries charge in seconds, never explode, and last for years. And most importantly, all this is available at a low price. Musk's vision has not just shown the way for a battery, but has changed the direction of the entire supply chain auto industry, energy storage system, and charging infrastructure. Now, the companies that understand this change quickly will become the leaders of the EV market in the times to come. And those who remained asleep will become a part of history. Elon Musk's aim is not just to take Tesla forward. He is taking the entire industry in a new direction. Now, the competition is not just about cars, but about the speed, price, and safety of batteries. And in that race, aluminum-ion technology can become the next big game changer. So now is the time to focus, because what is happening is the biggest battle of EV technology. And the company that brings aluminum batteries into mass production first will become the foundation of the next automotive empire. If you like this information, then like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that every big update related to the world of EV reaches you first, because this is where the real game changes.